Hey guys, this is a project that we're very proud of. We've gotten a lot of love for this project. A lot of people have a lot of questions. This was actually our first million view reel on Instagram, this project. In difficulty lies opportunity. We took a lot of the stuff that we had to work around and made it work out so that it really came together as just a gorgeous project. There's a 15-foot utility easement that runs between the pool and deck itself. So literally had to curve the deck and cut it back because of this utility easement that runs across on an angle. So I took that opportunity to play with those curves and tie into the curves on the archtop window above and the curves over the garage so that it all ties together. We overhung the curve in the front and we put in some extra columns and set up the black lattice on the back side of that. And then we took the columns and also did the more traditional columns on either side of the pergola and even did a knee wall on either side of the fireplace. So that kind of ties that all in there. Also gives them a little bit of extra privacy. The pool is also curved, and that was also to work around the utility easements. Pool came out beautiful with those curved walls in the back and the waterfalls and then the lighting at night. Just this whole project lit up at night, just absolutely beautiful. So if you want to see through the eyes of the designer and see all these cool projects that are coming up, hit that follow button, hit that like button, and join us for the next walkthrough.